Hi all, welcome again in this session. Today I will cover one more topic, that is a PO types, and which is relevant to the cost center, asset, WBS, POs in SAP MM. Before starting with that, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Also share this video with your colleagues and SAP friends. Thank you. So let's dive into the different PO type. Before going into that, we will see what is exactly account assignment. Account assignment are basically used for direct charge of material, service or material without a material number. So if we use any account assignment, we can charge directly to the certain department or asset or WBS or project or for against any order or cost center. So no need to map any material with its GL or cost center elements, etc. So what are the different type of account assignment? So we can see here few of them, but while showing in system I will show you all the types that are available: asset, cost center, project, WBS, then network, orders, unknown. So we have already used few of them like cost center for services, then U for UB type of PO. So that way we can use account assignment. But today I will show you how to create such a type of POs and what exactly difference in normal PO and such a type of PO. So we will go into system and we will see now. Okay, so I'm running here T code ME to an N. So once we go in system, I will provide some random vendor that I have created. Then I will use standard details. So once I provide all details, so normally I have provided details that I will provide in normal PO. Then what is difference? So we have already seen in previous POs, or if you don't know still, so this A is nothing but account assignment category, which plays very important role in PO, and we will see that. So in this video, I will mainly focus on asset, cost center, WBS, such type of PO. So if you click and expand this from this, so you will see various account assignment categories here, like asset, as I said. Then these are various all types like project, network, order, asset, then U for unknown. So these all are various type, or maybe for your client you might see different types in your system as well. So for this now I will, let's say, consider cost center. So I will select K here. So as soon as you take K here, so you will see now here it is no account assignment tab is here, but as soon as I press enter, one new tab will pop up here, that is account assignment. So you may see like this, or if you click here single account assignment, you may see like this as well. So it's no different, just you can change its layout from that single click. So once you provide details, system will ask you cost center for this. So you can use any cost center that your team provide to you. In my case, I will use this cost center. Okay, so similar way, if I will copy the same and I will paste here. If I change this from K to A, you will see different. So system this time will not ask you cost center, but instead it will ask you asset for line item 20. See now, instead of cost center, it's asking me asset because I have changed account assignment category here A. If I change, let's say, for P project, then system might ask you WBS element because projects is assigned to WBS element. See, now system is asking me for WBS. So it's depend what account assignment you select here, accordingly system will ask. But why we require this? To avoid, like, it allows us to post directly whatever material or service we are using against that particular element. It might be asset, it might be cost center, it might be project, it might be network, and so on. So let's check that PO. So nothing is there, so I can save it directly. So it's just similar PO like normal PO if you know P2P cycle, but only account assignment category plays important role in this type of PO. So once you have PO, you can directly create its goods receipt. So it's very simple, nothing change in goods receipt. It's normal as we know, only changes are there in while creating PO. Only one more tab is there, that is all I have already mentioned, account assignment category in PO. So once you created your GR, you can similar way process for your IR as well. So T code is 0. Then provide details like your PO number, date, and whatever system asks you, maybe tax or how is your system configuration. So this is how we perform all these type of POs like cost center, asset, nothing change, only one more tab is there in PO, that is account assignment. So that's it for this video. In case you have any question, you can put in comment section. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel. So see you in the next video. Bye.